Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Happy Thursday, July the 31st. Guys, I hope my camera doesn't blow over, but I decided to come outside and give you guys a glimpse of and a scenery and a sound of what I hear every day when I sit back here and just enjoy the space that the Lord has blessed me with. Um, I wouldn't have it no other way, but give Him the glory first. But yeah, today is the day that I'm gonna show you guys the tour of the bonus room. But first, I wanted to say thank you guys so very much for tuning in to all these house to home videos. I really appreciate it here on this channel, and also too, it's just to show you guys how to live simple. A lot of people think they can't live simple. They gotta have like a house full of stuff. You do not have to have a house full of stuff to live simple and be free in your mind and in your soul, and just enjoy your home, house, or your beautiful space that you have. And also too, guys, remember to love yourselves, okay? So that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. So guys, with that being said, I'm going to turn this camera around. I'm going to give you guys a tour of the bonus room. And also remember to subscribe to the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. I would love to have you there as well. And what else do I have to say? What else do I have to... Oh, some of y'all might not like it, but I love it, and that's all that matters to me. And that's the most important thing, is for you, yourself, to be happy. So it doesn't matter what other people say, as long as you're not doing any harm to anyone. Okay, guys? So I'll see you with the tour. Bye, y'all. Take it all in. I know. Take it all in. I want to get trees blowing, the birds chirping, the dogs barking, whatever. Take it all in. I'm going to give you a few minutes. All right? Yes. Bye, y'all. Ready? So we are in the hallway. I'm going to just show you where we are located in the hallway. The back door is back there. So this is the room that we will be entering. So I can show you the space. And don't forget, the walls are the two colors that I Mindful Gray by Cheryl Williams and Repost Gray by Cheryl Williams. So the door has a fresh coat of paint on it. So y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Let's go in. Let's go in. Yes, a breath of fresh air, you guys. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to throw in a clip of the house tour and you guys look at the old space and look at the new space. So as you enter into the room, you will see my split leaf philodendron here, which I absolutely love. Guys, she looks absolutely amazing right here. Look at that. Y'all, look at the colors of the walls. Look at the contrast of the colors of the walls. So on this side is the Mindful Gray, guys. This is the Mindful Gray over here. So this is where I house my split leaf philodendron. Y'all, she has been blooming like crazy. She actually has more blooms coming in right there. So over here, guys, we have another closet, which I'm really not going to open because there's no need to open it. Yeah. Over here in this area, I have my little prayer area. Here are my crystals that I gently touch in the mornings. Get some vibes from that, my daily prayer. This is one of the items for the housewarming gift. I really appreciate it. There is the card. This probably, matter of fact, I'll take this out of here now. So this is how that space looks without it. I still want to get something to go here that maybe says like family gather or something, but I might leave it blank. Over here, guys, is something that I thrifted, and I just didn't put in there because I didn't want y'all to know yet until I show you this. I actually bought this for like, I think $1.50, and I added this rope on here, the rope at the bottom, and it actually was just white, and I painted the word faith in it, gave it a little distressed look, put the little rope back here, and hung it on the wall. And it has these little feet on here, as you can see, like so, and it's actually wood, you guys. Has feet on both sides all around. So that's what that looks like on this wall. And then over here, guys, is where we hung the shelf that was in the other room upstairs at the other house. In the actually we had it for the TV, then we ended up putting it in the closet on Mark's side. So yeah, we hung that here. I added marble paper to it, and I just added a few pieces of decor to every one of the spaces. Very simple, guys, very chic. This is my metal Nate Burgess vase, and it has these branches, these peacock branches in here as well, as you can see. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Like I said, nothing else on the shelf, just has that beautiful marble. Yes, guys, let me know. Take it all in. I told y'all, less is more. Less is more. Have a beautiful wood elephant here with the trunk up. I know it looks kind of little dysfunctional elephant, but guys, it's actually an elephant. I'll give you guys a good look at it. Actually, wood has like a little crack in it. Actually was a bookend, but I still wanted it anyway. I think it was like 50 cents. I have my air plant here, which is absolutely amazing and growing. Now you see how the wood contrasts to the marble, y'all? Have just the remote here for the television. Here's that Jax that that had spray painted it silver, now it's gold in here. We have a basket here, guys, that's very, very beautiful. It houses my weights that I use daily. After I do my prayer meditation, I come in here and I work out. It's a really nice basket. I think I paid like $1.50 for it, and I just house this beautiful Cynthia Raleigh pillow that I had on my bed in other videos, previous videos that you've seen. I like how I love the fact that it's 100% cotton, and I love how it comes out in the center like that. Has that little circular motion thing going over here. So over here, guys, we hung the TV over here. I don't want to let you see anything else. We hung the TV here, and what I did was I just took some if you can see that, like felt fabric, and just wrapped it onto the actual cord, so that way you really can't see it that much. You know, it's not that noticeable when you come in. You just don't like see that per se, but I think it looks nice. And then over here, guys, I just hung my curtains. Let me see if I can give you let me come back a little bit. Let's turn this down. Just there we go, there we go. So I hung my curtains here, and they are those silver ones. Remember that was in the office at the old house? They're the silver ones with the shimmery stuff. They're gray shimmer. That's what they are. And they were from Threshold. And I just added the other ones that we had in the kitchen area of the old house. I politely put my bird of paradise right here, guys, on this gold stand, like so. Isn't that pretty? Then I have my Chiflera here on her in her beautiful basket. Yes, guys, I end up putting all the Chifleras in one basket instead of having a whole bunch of them. And I just laid her on that plate that we had upstairs. And then over here, I have my diffuser here that's for the plants and just for the air. Same thing here, guys, for the curtains. I did the same thing for the curtains here. Then we hung a real nice, we hung the spider plant up here as well. Very, very nice, y'all, very nice. And then over here, guys, remember the signs that I made of my own? I hung those here on this wall by itself. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Guys, everything is absolutely amazing. So what I did was I just put one of the plants here. So this is how that looks, like that. Very open and airy. Y'all, this room is, oh my gosh, I'm coming here every single day, every day. I have been sleeping in here every day. That's how quiet and amazing this room is. So as you can see, the color transformation on the walls. So mindful gray and repose gray. So guys, this is the repose gray. This is the mindful gray. So I'm going to come back around here, show you guys what that looks like. And then I'm going to show you the masterpiece that your girl, your friend, your YouTuber sister, cousin, cousin, auntie, whatever you want to say, was gifted and blessed with. Oh, y'all, forgot the light. Here is the light fixture. Let me go down. There's the light fixture, one of those frosted dome, beautiful lights there. And I'm just panning around again. So are y'all ready? Are y'all ready for me to show you guys? Show you guys the other side? Huh? Are y'all ready? Are y'all really, really ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Bam! What do you guys think? Isn't she beautiful? OMG. Let me let you look. Take it all in. Take it all in. Take it all in, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely fit the spot, fit the space. Absolutely amazing. Guys, remember these pillows? These are old pillows from the couch from the beginning when I first got the couch from Habitat for Humanity. Go check out that video of the couch that I scored from Habitat for Humanity. And these are some pillows that I got from Goodwill along the way, and I saved them, and I'm glad I did. They are pretty gray, and I bought them in here. And here is the sign that says, home, the best place in the world. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So guys, let me give you a little story on this. My daughter and her friend were at Habitat for Humanity one day, and they asked, I guess when they were leaving from getting what her friend was picking up, they said that the people were giving it away for free. She asked me did I want it. She showed me a little picture of it, and I'm like, no, that ain't gonna fit. That's too small from the picture that she showed me. Guys, when I went to go see this in person, I was like, oh my goodness. Thank you, Father, for everything. Everything. Because y'all remember I wanted a Papasan chair in here. I don't have to get one because this is rather large. Guys, this is a barn, let me get it right, Barnhart furniture. Look at the legs. Beautiful wood legs, guys. Ebony blonde legs with wheels on them. Can you see that? Can you see that? Guys, oh my God, look at that. Tufted all down to the bottom. Can you guys see? Deep tucks. Deep tucks. Look at that. This is large, you guys, and then I'm going to show you once I walk out of the room, you'll see how large it is. Look how beautiful that is in this room. Up against the plants, up against the, well, it's not up against the wall. I have it away from the wall, and I just have the pillows leaning on it. So guys, yes, that is the room, y'all. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about the bonus room? She's absolutely amazing. Take it all in, y'all. I know. Take it all in. I hope you guys can take some inspiration from this room, that you don't need a whole lot. You don't need a lot. This is not a lot, y'all. This is just enough. Just enough space. The kids can run around. I can do my workouts in here. I can flip in here. I can work out. I can meditate in my meditation area over here without anybody being in here distracting me or anything. It all works all together. It works together. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. It even looks better at night. It looks so good at night. So guys, with that being said, let me know what is your favorite part of the space and what did you enjoy the most. And yes, these babies are doing well in this room, and I absolutely love it. And you guys can let me know what's your favorite part. I know. This big baby right here, right? I know. So, with that being said, guys, I will see you later in another video really, really soon. Bye. Hope you enjoyed the tour.